In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add images to Skool courses. Let's dive right in and make this process as smooth as possible. First, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to a search engine like Google. Type in Skool to get started. You'll see a list of results and you should click on the first one. Once you've reached the Skool website, you'll need to log in with your account details. If you don't have an account, make sure you create one to follow along with these steps. After logging in, look towards the upper left corner of the page. There, you should see two arrows pointing at each other indicating a menu or navigation option. Click on those arrows to expand your options. Once you've done that, you'll be able to see various communities that you might belong to. Click on the community where you want to add your images. This will take you to that community's main page. On the community page, find the classroom section. It's usually prominently displayed, and clicking on it will reveal all the courses available within your selected community. Now you'll want to navigate to the specific course where you plan on inserting your image. Click on the course of your choice to open it up. Inside the course page, keep an eye out for an edit button. It's often depicted with a pencil or a similar icon, signifying that you're about to make some changes. Click on it to enter the editing mode. Now that you are in editing mode, look for a little photo icon, usually found within the text editor. Clicking on this icon allows you to bring photos into your course content. When you click the icon, a dialog box or file browser will pop up, prompting you to upload an image. Navigate through your computer's files to select the image you want to use. Once you've chosen your image, hit open to upload it into the course. Finally, after ensuring that your image looks good and is placed where you want it, look for the Save button. This crucial step ensures all your hard work doesn't get lost. Click on Save to finalize your changes. You'll notice your newly added image is now visible in the course content, enhancing the visual learning experience for your students. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to add images to your Skool courses, creating a more engaging and visually appealing learning environment. Thanks for watching, and happy teaching.